Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your smart TV if it's not showing cast or screen mirroring. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and navigate to your settings. Okay, go ahead and pick up your remote and then just press the menu button. And then once this window pops up, go ahead and find the settings menu or the setup menu, depending on your TV. And then let's just go ahead and find date and time. Okay, you must set up your time zone, also your time to the correct time zone and time. Okay, or if you want to, you can go ahead and use as broadcast. But if I were you, I'm just going to set it manually. Okay, also the time right here. If your time zone is set up correctly, click on auto synchronization. It will automatically sync. All right, and then after that, go ahead and go back. Now go ahead and find this section, network. Okay, down here tap on Wi-Fi direct or mirroring, or sometimes it's called cast or just screen mirroring. Now all you got to do, make sure that it is not disabled, and you tap or select find or search WFD device or mirroring device. Tap on it and turn on your device that you wanted to mirror. Okay, and then once that's done, should be good to go. Now, if you can't still see screen mirroring or Wi-Fi direct or cast, well, go ahead over to the settings section once more, and then find setup, and at least try to system update or update your system. Okay, you're going to tap on it and make sure that you're connected to an internet. Select it, follow simple prompts, and once that's done, go ahead and test or check Wi-Fi direct once more, and you should be able to see it. If not, if you got the time, you can go ahead and try to factory reset. Okay, enter your password right here or TV password, and after that, just wait. That is how you fix your smart TV if it's not showing in cast or screen mirroring. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.